Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bank of Greene County app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bank of Greene County is a mobile banking app designed to provide customers with easy access to their accounts and financial services. The app integrates features like mobile check deposits, bill payments, funds transfers, account alerts, and secure login options, all in one place. It also supports transaction monitoring, balance tracking, and customer support access, making it a comprehensive tool for managing finances on the go. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is widely appreciated by users for its clean interface, smooth navigation, and reliability. It allows customers to quickly check balances, transfer funds, and pay bills without visiting a branch. Many users also like the security features and the ability to receive timely notifications about account activity. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional login delays or connectivity issues, and advanced banking tools may be limited compared to desktop banking. Also, certain features may require contacting the bank for activation, which could be inconvenient for some users. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Bank of Greene County app may be worth using if you're a customer looking for a straightforward, mobile-friendly way to manage your accounts and finances. It excels in convenience, security, and basic banking functions. However, if you need more advanced features or frequent multi-account management, it might not fully meet all your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.